Hey hockey fans, are you confused by some of the lingo that you hear around the rink? Well, here's 15 hockey terms explained that every beginner should know. Let's go. Chip it means banking it off the boards to get around a defender. Either the player himself or a teammate will skate into that loose puck. While dump it means send it deep into the opponent's zone. Wide means skating and moving the puck outside the dots towards the boards where there's open ice. It's great for escaping pressure. Headman the puck means move the puck up the ice to a teammate who's open and in position. This headman is actually called a stretch pass. Clear it means shoot the puck out of your defensive zone, usually on the penalty kill. Backdoor means being on the opposite side of the net to the puck carrier. Often the defenders and the goalie don't know you're there. This is called a backdoor pass. The strong side of the ice is simply the half of the ice where the puck is currently. Then the other side automatically becomes known as the weak side of the ice. These change back and forth depending where the puck moves. When a coach or teammate yells wheel, it means skate as fast as you can with or without the puck. A screen or traffic is when a player stands in front of an opponent's goalie, trying to block their vision, making it harder to track the puck and save it. Pressure in puck pursuit is taking away the other team's time and space through forechecking and body position. This is where you have to outwork your opponent. When you hear someone yell move your feet, it means no gliding, you need to keep pushing. It means that gliding around won't get the job done, you need to push hard. This can be on offense or defense. And stick on puck just means stick check the puck carrier. Use these terms and you'll sound like a pro and play even smarter. Don't forget to like and subscribe.